Hello and welcome. In the macOS versions before Monterey, when you open an application in full screen, the menu bar disappears, and the only way to bring it back is by touching the top of your screen with your pointer. But new in macOS Monterey, you can keep the menu bar visible at all times in full screen apps. To do that, click on the Apple icon in the menu bar and choose System Preferences. On the System Preferences window that opens, click on the Dock and Menu Bar icon. On the Dock and Menu Bar window, below the Menu Bar section, uncheck the Automatically Hide and Show the Menu Bar in Full Screen checkbox.